Hello my happy crafters. How is everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a marvelous day. My friends, I'm here to share with you guys for the second time what I received from the amazing Miss Rosie, who is Creative Wings here on YouTube. And unfortunately, my friends, oh my god, I can just kick myself because I recorded a whole video. I went to go edit the video out and I realized I had no sound. I guess my mic wasn't all the way plugged in properly into my computer, and I just recently moved some stuff around in my craft room, trying to get the mojo going again. And I guess I didn't realize, and my camera was on and everything was on, but I didn't realize, I didn't even pay attention to look at the mic, to see if it was receiving sound or not. So I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry, Rosie. Honestly, I was so blown away, you guys. I'm so blown away by what I received from her, what she created. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous, 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 my friends. So we were partners for the month of July for the Grand ATC Exchange, and the month of July, the theme was self-expression. And I just want to say, my friend, you nailed it. I absolutely love it. And so without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys what I received from the amazing Creative Wings, Miss Rosie. Thank you, my friends. And I read your notes, and honestly, the sentiment, it's mutual. I think that you're absolutely amazing and you're such a sweetheart. And I just love when I encounter, when I cross paths with people that are just so kind and genuine. And I just absolutely, to me, that's a blessing, and I'm so grateful for you. So thank you so much for being a part of my world, and I'm so happy to be getting to know you. And yes, my friends, so this is what she created, you guys. And honestly, when I took it out and I unwrapped it, she sent it. I have a little pack here of all the wrapping paper. She sent it wrapped up. This is what I saw, you guys. And this was the first thing that came out in the video, and I was like, OMG, isn't that just gorgeous? And what a way to express yourself. Somebody who's just smelling the flowers. They're just smelling the flowers. That is just so pretty, you guys. Look at how beautiful, how beautiful, how beautiful she made the back of her pocket holder. It is absolutely stunning, with all of these different colors, and it just looks like alcohol ink effects. It's so pretty, the way that she just moved everything into everything else, and I'm just like, wow. There we go. And I'm just like, wow, you guys, this is absolutely gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. You did such a lovely job with coloring her in. And it's so pretty. I think that this is a stamp. I think it might be a Jane Davenport stamp. I'm not sure, but it's very, very pretty. And I love the way that you colored everything in, and the dress and the little pearls on the dress is so pretty. And she just looks so peaceful. She's, she just looks so at peace, just smelling the flowers. There's a little birdie there on the side, and I think this is one of the Dollar Tree stickers, but it came out super cute in this piece because it's like the one thing that's yellow and it just pops. It looks so nice. And then she added some sequins, and she glued them into place, and they feel like little bubbles. They feel like little bubbles. It's so pretty, and I just absolutely love this. Her pocket was made in an accordion style. And then oh my god, my friends, look at the front. And this is why this sucks, because I wish I would have noticed that the audio was not recording, you guys, because I was so blown away. I was so blown away. And there's nothing like that initial reaction, you guys. And this is absolutely gorgeous. It says speak fluent fantastic. Now I can't even speak. Speak fluent fantastic, you guys. And again, with the Dollar Tree stickers everywhere. This is absolutely gorgeous, and this is an awesome way of incorporating those Dollar Tree finds, you guys. This is so super cool. Here we have a little banner piece, little scalloped edges on the top and on the bottom. Super pretty, you guys. And the ATCs, oh my goodness, what can I say, they're absolutely gorgeous. And again, she carried over the same theme from the back to the front. We even have these little dots that she added, and I don't know how she got so perfect at them, but they're like perfect. All of them are like the same size. Usually I have ones that are huge and then teeny ones. They're like perfect. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love how colorful it is. It's so pretty. Like wow, gorgeous, you guys. And now let's take a look at her beautiful ATCs. And you guys have to go and check out her channel. Honestly, she does all types of awesome art, you guys, in many different ways, you guys. She also makes books, journals, and all these different types of things. And this is so super cool. Look at the inside. I saw when she hauled these papers right here in the back, they look like marble effects, and she matched the effect so nicely. The ATC cards are absolutely gorgeous. What can I say about these beautiful ATC cards? Like honestly, there's shimmer on them. You can tell that she did it on some of the leftover paper that she used to create this beautiful pocket. There's some doodling that she did with these little bricks, or this is maybe some stamping, and it kind of goes around into a swirl. I absolutely love that. Again, another like such a peaceful just glance, and she's just so content, and I just love that feeling, that vibe that she's giving me. Absolutely gorgeous. I love how you colored everything in and you highlighted everything. It's so pretty. And I think she used some watercolors for this. Absolutely gorgeous, honestly. So pretty. And we have these little flowers that she added on here, these little lotus flowers. I think maybe it's a different kind of flower, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then she backed it, and it looks kind of framed. Super pretty, very cute. And on the back, she has her information, which is Creative Wings, is her channel. And my friend, your birthday is 1 month away from mine to the date. It's so funny. And her favorite color is blue, and her passion is for mixed media art, but also she enjoys making other crafts. And yes, that is the awesomeness. We all start on this YouTube journey like liking certain things, and then as we get to know other people and we get to, you know, go off on these adventures, and just learning so much from everybody else, all the other different crafters and artists here on YouTube, you know, our styles just go evolving, and so do our likes and our interests, and it's such an awesome process. And look at the other one. It's so pretty, again, with some of the shimmer, with the beautiful black framing around it. And she is just like, yeah. I love the look on her face. She's just like, yep. I could just imagine what she's thinking. Yep. Super pretty. And together they look so awesome. They're both looking at each other like, aw. Absolutely gorgeous. Rosie, honestly, again, it's a shame that you didn't get my initial like reaction, because it was just like so, oh my goodness, like honestly, whew, this is absolutely gorgeous. You guys know that as much as I talk, when I find myself speechless, that's huge, because I can be a little bit of a chatty box. And so absolutely gorgeous, my friends. You guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. This presentation is so colorful, so vibrant, so unique as well. Like, it's so pretty. I love the speak fluent, fantastic. I love that. You have beautiful handwriting, my friends. I write like I'm fighting with the paper. So yeah, that's the one thing I cannot. And it's funny because if I wanted to write something that is like creative, like let's say for an art project or something, sometimes my brain will switch over to the artistic side and I'll have a little bit of flair. Most of the time it doesn't do that, which is why I don't write a lot of sentiments on my stuff, and I tend not to do a lot of writing per se, because I hate my handwriting, my friends. I absolutely hate it. And kudos to all of you guys that have such beautiful handwriting. Like, my hubby is one of those. He has such beautiful handwriting, and I write like I'm fighting. And so it could be the sweetest sentiment, and it just looks angry. And so absolutely gorgeous. This, oh my goodness, this could be like a canvas right here. This is like so wow. I absolutely love it. Stunning, my friends, stunning. Honestly, absolutely beautiful. And you guys, this is not all that she sent me. She also sent me this beautiful index card art journal, my friends, and I've never had something like this. I've always wanted to try to make one or try to, you know, do them, but again, I tend to kind of steer away from smaller crafts and smaller like art projects and stuff like that. This is kind of the reason why I started the Grand ATC Exchange, is because I wanted to kind of challenge myself to work on smaller surfaces. And this is perfect, you guys. This is perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. And we have stamping, all these beautiful colors just kind of fading into one another. And that's her style, you guys. It's so pretty. You guys gotta go and check it out. Like I said, she does beautiful art journals. She does beautiful index cards. She makes junk journals. She makes other, like, she does a lot of different things, you guys. And she has her very own unique style, and it's so pretty. And her videos are so relaxing. I just love watching her videos. They're so relaxing. I can just get lost. And again, with some stamping, and just, it's just so pretty. The water effects, the water stains, like, it just all looks so awesome. And you guys, she's got a video on her channel where not only does she work on index cards, she has separate videos for different ones, but she also shows you how she makes her covers. So if you guys want to check that out, if you're interested in creating something like this, then go and check it out. I definitely encourage you to do so. This gives me so many ideas. This is so pretty, and she's got her pretty stamp there. I have to get myself one of those, but I never know which way to go get them, because I've seen some, but I never really know like which way to go with that. But yes, my friends, this is absolutely gorgeous. She's got some doodling going on here. So pretty. And I'm definitely going to be using this, so you guys are going to see me create some of these index cards, and I'm super excited to do so. So my friend, I'm going to be joining you. I hope you don't mind the company. I'm going to be joining you with the index cards, because I'm gonna have a lot of fun working with that. And she also sent me some other ones as well, some additional loose ones already cut to size. So this is perfect, because I could just make more, and hopefully I can keep these going for a while. So super fun. Thank you so much. I'm very excited about working with this and making one for this. So yay, thank you so much. And again, you know, I wish that I keep saying it because I'm just so upset with myself. Honestly, I'm so upset, and I have to make a you know, be more conscious of my software when I'm using it, so that I'm aware that my mic is on, that everything is on and functioning like it should, because oh my goodness. Now you guys, she did send me this beautiful junk journal that I did go over in that video, but that video, it pushed me over to like almost 35 minutes. So what I'm gonna do for this beautiful journal, my friends, is that I'm gonna do a journal share. This is my very first junk journal, you guys, and I want to share this with you guys, and I want to dedicate time specifically to this junk journal because it's so pretty, you guys. It's so pretty. You're gonna want to watch. She's got so many different ideas in there, and I've never done one myself, so I'm super excited, and I will discuss that more with you guys during that video. So please stay tuned, because there is going to be a part 2 to this ATC swap exchange. I'm going to dedicate a whole video just for this. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous, you guys, but I don't want to give you any sneak peeks and show you how she actually made this. It's super cool, and I absolutely love it. And my friend, you're the first one to give me a junk journal. Oh my goodness. Now my friends, the last thing that I'm going to share with you guys in this video is this very pretty pouch that she sent me, and it says, lifestyle, what sunshine is to flowers, smiles are to humanity. And she also gifted me a pack of gel pens, but in that video I put them in here, and they're sparkly, like they're glitter gel pens. So thank you so much. I don't have any of these, so my friend, you two in a day, 2 first times in a day. So thank you so much. I put them right in here because I'm gonna hang them right there in the front. I don't want to put them with my other pens because they'll just get lost. So I'm gonna put them right here, and I'm gonna clip them and hang them up so that they hang right in front of me. So whenever I'm doing either art journaling or anything like that, and I want to use some glitter pens, I have them right here in front of me. And the pouch is super pretty. I love the soft pink with the little vines and little trees. Super pretty. Kind of looks like something that you would find in the sea almost. And then you guys, oh my goodness, look at this pen. Look, I got a huge diamond, my friends. I got a huge diamond. Can you believe that? Isn't that cool? It's super super cool. Thank you so much. My first official diamond pen, and it's a twist pen, so you twist it to you know, to use it. And then it also came with this one. Both of these pens came in the pouch, so thank you, my friends, for the little you know, the little extra. Thank you so much for that. They're so pretty, and I'm gonna keep them right here in front of me so that I can use them. And this one's a push pen here. So pretty. Like, I'm so, oh my goodness, you guys. And I read your lovely note, and my friends, you're so special to me. Thank you so much. Like, honestly, we just vibe so well. It's such a cool energy, and I'm enjoying it. And thank you so much for being a part of my world, and I so appreciate you. You're awesome. And I also got your other one, which is for the ATC one. And thank you, my friends, again. You're so kind. You're such a nice and genuine person. You're so sweet. And I just, you know, I feel so super blessed, honestly, to have such sweet and amazing friends around me. And God always manages to find a way to just, you know, put wind beneath my wings, if that's how you say it. Yes, He always manages, and I'm so grateful for Him and for all of you guys. So stay tuned for part 2. And thank you, Rosie, so much. This has been an awesome exchange. I absolutely loved it, and your creation is just absolutely wow. So thank you guys, and I will catch you guys on part 2. Bye.